Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about my experience going to the second largest museum in the whole Southeast Asia, the Borneo Culture Museum. The New Sarawak Museum is a new landmark of Kuching City and consists of two buildings, namely the Borneo Cultures Museum and Annex Office Building. The Borneo Cultures Museum is a modern five-story building with a distinctive architectural design that reflects Sarawak's unique traditional crafts and rich cultural heritage. The new museum wants to become a lively place for social and cultural exchange. The auditorium and function rooms on level 1 will be able to host a wide range of events, and these programs will turn the museum into a vibrant venue. Also here are the visitor facilities that will cater to the visitor essential needs such as the reception counter, restaurant, and shop. Next, located on level 2 are the Children's Gallery and the Arts and Crafts Gallery. The Children's Gallery provides an optimal interactive learning environment for children through its exhibition and activities. The theme Love Our Rivers focuses on the concept of sustainability using rivers as the foundation of exhibition narrative. Activities arranged in the Arts and Crafts Gallery allows visitors to learn the skills of traditional craftsmanship, dances, and music. Level 3 is the biggest gallery with 2,188 square meters of exhibition space. The exhibition theme is In Harmony with Nature, and it explores the relationship local communities have with the natural environment based on a river journey through three major geographical regions. This exhibition offers immersive and multi-sensory experiences. Next, on level 4 is the Time Changes exhibition that will have displays with a strong educational focus. This informative gallery will cater to school groups and topics covered in the history curriculum. Also included in is the archaeological discoveries and findings in the state. The narrative tells the history of Sarawak dating from prehistoric era to modern times. Finally, the museum's masterpiece and best example of Sarawak's material culture will be on display in level 5. The Objects of Desire gallery will have a strong object focus that allows visitors to admire the artistic beauty of these artifacts. The gallery will be showcasing artifacts that reflect skilled craftsmanship, having designs with divine powers and as a symbol of status. Look at that.